So, yeah, this is our trip to Subway, right, Angie?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, mofo.
We going to Subway and we gonna get some, well, I'm gonna get a sandwich.
I'm gonna get nothing.
Yeah.
Because I don't have money. This last night I spent it all on energy drinks and junk food in like 2 minutes.
Good job.
Whole 20 bucks.
Wow.
Let's see, there's a random person across the street. I think that's Dejan. Is that Dejan? Nah.
Yeah, it's too short for Dejan.
But he's black and wearing red.
Yeah,
that's a sign.
Too short. It's too short for Dejan.
Whatevs.
They're watching us now.
Dun. He looks Mexican.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's our shadows. Nice, girly. And all the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a white guy. Give it to me, baby. Wait, I want to look into your glasses and see the magical work on us. Ooh. Look into my eyes, Jungle Book. I'm a snake.
You can't even walk straight. I mean,
I'm so saucy
in my iced tea, and I can walk straight.
These so blocks. Hey, I'm in the middle of the street. Get it?
I am too.